Why shoot trash and leave it behind when you could be using your do-it-yourself hook and hang it targets from Yankee Thunder? This setup, but it works. Yankee Thunder does recommend that you use conduit, but this is working so far. It's a do-it-yourself project anyway, so we found some random objects in the garage.
Damn thing. Time.
Are you ready?
Oh, got him. Like butter.
Just like butter. Look at you guys. Teamwork and making the dream work. Easy setup, easy takedown.
Pick up your shit.
Yep. Pack it in, pack it out. Don't be like these assholes.
Well, these 2x4s.